Hello and welcome back. It is your host Weeb Union. In today's update, there is a short one where the Russians have managed to advance in the northern section of the front line between the Kharkiv and Belgorod regions. The Russians have managed to advance in the western direction, gaining control over additional forest lines along the front line, expanding their zone of control here to the northwest of Doratne. The Russians are slowly advancing along these forest lines and forest patches to advance in the direction of these settlements along the front line. The objective of the Russians along the roads is to reach the next positions here in the western direction and expand their zone of control along the border area to connect with the forces further south. Speaking of this section of the front line, a very interesting development has occurred. That is reports by the Russians and Ukrainians giving a broader picture of this section of the front line. The distance between Vovchansk and the road here to the south of the river line in the western parts of this area, and the distance between Krinjashivka, Dovorishna and Kupiansk, this same direction, is approximately 45 kilometers. And the Russians have been able to develop drone strike capabilities with FPV drones that can reach as far as these 45 kilometers. They're using a lot more mother drones that carry smaller drones, allowing for greater distances. This allows the Russians to accurately strike practically everything within this entire area. Although they do not have a large enough capacity as of right now to strike anything that moves within this zone, they are now capable of striking some of these elements. This allows for greater operational capabilities of the Russian forces in this entire area, and it also indicates that the Russians will be strengthening the offensive operations within this section, as they have created some sort of light kill zone that will likely strengthen as Russians develop more and more of these drones. But that'll be all for this update. Thank you for watching and have a great day.